quick reading for July the 3rd to July the 4th, Aquarius. Your cards are the Fool card, the Four of Wands, and the Ace of Wands. Nakikita natin dito na sabihin natin kahit mabababa ang mga numberings ng inyong card, kalmado naman at very certain. Merong magte-take ng action para sabihin sa iyo, ready na ako. Merong makikipag-usap sa iyo at sasabihin magsama na tayo. Pwede ring magpo-propose or mapag-uusapan na ang kasal, even to a point of building a family. Pwedeng bagong relationship pa lang ito. You're jumping off into a very committed relationship. Nakakakita din tayo ng age gap, no, dito sa inyong relationship. It can be a May-December love affair. It may not be. Pwede rin ito sa LGBTQIA+ relationship with the Knight of Wands and the Three of Pentacles. Na pag-isipan, meron ditong fluidity, no? Kasi hindi lang ito for the sake of eto yung nararamdaman ko ngayon, kaya gagawin ko. Gusto ko to now. Hindi. Gusto niya na to before. Ang nangyari lang is siguro pinaghanda ang mabuti, pinag-isipan kung paano i-execute, at merong parang kinalagyan at kalalagyan, no? Hindi lang ito halika, magsama tayo. Tapos dun pa lang kayo maghahanap ng bahay. No, these are all orchestrated and prepared by the person. Ang gagawin mo na lang ay sumama. So this is your quick reading for July the 3rd to July the 4th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.